Alright guys, so we have a question on cone rather. It says a cone has a base radius of 5 centimeter and a height of 12 centimeter. Calculate its slant height. That's the first question. And the second question says calculate its total surface area. Alright. So they now ask us to leave the answer in terms of pi. Alright, if pi is involved. So we are going to leave our answer in terms of pi is involved. So for the first question, which is A, alright, so what we are going to do is calculate the slant area. So we are going to calculate Lm, which is L square, alright. So we are using Pythagorean theorem to solve it. So L square, alright, is equals to 5 square plus 12 August. So we have L square equals to 5 square plus 12 square, right? So if we solve the answer, we'll get 2 equals to 25 plus 144. Alright. If we plus this to get L square, which is equals to what? 169. Alright. So we are going to move this square to this side. Our L is equals to square root of 169, which is equals to what? 13 centimeter. Alright guys, so that is for the first question. The second question says we should leave its total surface area. So we just calculate for the total surface area. So what is the total surface area? The total surface area of a cone is pi. Okay, so let me come down a bit so that our pi will be pi arrow L, right? Pi arrow L plus pi arrow raised to the power of 2. So that is the formula for our surface area. So with that, we are going to get our answer as pi, right, times 5 times 13 plus pi times arrow. What is our arrow? Our arrow is 5 square centimeter square. Alright, so this times this will give us 65 pi plus 5 square will give us 25 pi, like this. So this plus this is going to give us 90 per centimeter square. Alright guys, so this is how to solve a question that has to do with a cone. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. We'll be glad to answer it for you. Bye bye.